Hi there. In this how-to video, I'll show you how you as an administrator can view a purchase order from a job inside the Go Site Ready job scheduler. First of all, I'm just going to hover over a job so that you can see what pops up in the information. Notice how there's nothing about a purchase order in here. That's because a purchase order has to be added directly within the Jobs section. So we're going to head over to the Jobs tab on the left. And then we're going to add the purchase order to our job. Notice how it says Client Reference. This is where we're going to add a purchase order. And click Save. Now let's head back to the Job Scheduler screen to see what's happened. Down the bottom here, notice how it now reads Client Reference and our purchase order information. Now all your essential information is clearly visible just by simply hovering over a job. Thanks for watching.